Researchers from Chalmers University of Technology, Sweden, have created a new rubber-like material with a unique set of properties which could act as a replacement for human tissue in medical procedures. The material has the potential to make a big difference to many people's lives. The research was recently published in the scientific journal ACS Nano. In the development of medical technology products, there is a great demand for new naturalistic materials suitable for integration with the body. Introducing materials into the body comes with many risks such as serious infections among other things. Many of the substances used today such as Botox are very toxic. There is a need for new, more adaptable materials. In the new study, the Chalmers researchers developed a material consisting solely of components that have already been shown to work well in the body. The foundation of the material is same as plexiglass, a material which is common in medical technology applications. Through redesigning its makeup and through a process called nanostructuring, they gave the newly patented material a unique combination of properties. The researchers' initial intention was to produce a hard bone-like material, but they were met with surprising results. The results showed that the new rubber-like material may be appropriate for many applications which require an uncommon combination of properties: high elasticity, easy processability, and suitability for medical uses. The material can be constructed in such a way that prevents bacteria from growing on the surface, meaning it is very well suited for medical uses. The structure of the new nanorubber material allows its surface to be treated so that it becomes antibacterial in a natural, non-toxic way. This is achieved by sticking antimicrobial peptides, small proteins which are part of our innate immune system, onto its surface. This can help reduce the need for antibiotics, an important contribution to the fight against growing antibiotic resistance. Because the new material can be injected and inserted via keyhole surgery, it can also help reduce the need for drastic surgery and operations to rebuild parts of the body. The material can be injected via a standard cannulus as a viscous fluid so that it forms its own elastic structures within the body. Or the material can also be 3D printed into specific structures as required. A further advantage of the material is that it contains three-dimensionally ordered nanopores. This means it can be loaded with medicine for various therapeutic purposes such as improving healing and reducing inflammation. This allows for localized treatment, avoiding, for example, having to treat the entire body with drugs, something that could help reduce problems associated with side effects. Since it is non-toxic, it also works well as a filler. The researchers see plastic surgery, therefore, as another very interesting potential area of application for the new material.